So I've got this screwdriver set, 134 in one, and we have like a lot of tips for this screwdriver. It's very versatile. It has 111 tips for the screwdriver. You have like from T1 to T20, T6H to T25H, and like a lot of other ones. And you also have 23 accessories in this one, like a handle, magnetic pad, flexible extension bar, like a lot of stuff, which we'll check when we unbox it. As you can see in this picture, there's all these tools that you have, and it's really easy to use because you have the screwdriver and then you have all the bits, and it's really easy to interchange them. And you can use it for tablets, for laptops, for phones, for basically anything you have to open with a screwdriver, and with these tools that help you open like almost anything, because you have everything, like a lot of bits, a lot of tips for the screwdriver, and a lot of accessories. You won't need to buy like an extra one, and this will be more cost effective. Now let's get to unboxing and checking this out and see what's inside, everything that we got there, and also use it for opening a laptop. Let's check it out. Everything comes in a box, so you can keep it really neat and nice. Details. Some details about this. That's a screw memory mat. You can just attach the screws here one by one. Then we have this bracelet for the electrostatic discharge, so you don't fry your electronic components. Then here we have, I believe, some things to remove the, you know, those stubborn screws that you can't get them out. These are the tools to remove them. You know, once in a while you will get one of those. That's the screwdriver. Then we have this for an extended bit if you need to go in like, I don't know, corner or something. Then you have this, which is really useful. This to open the stuff, basically a lot of this. You also have this like for the phones, and to take the glass out. The other side now. Here we have all these screwdriver bits and a lot of these prying tools, which is really cool. Then some extra ones here at the bottom, and you have this magnetizer and demagnetizer, really useful. Everything you need. Now let's open my MacBook Pro, which is usually harder to do because these screws are harder to find bits for them to open, tips, but this tool has it all. Let's use this for the screws. And we have the one we need right here. It's this one, 1.2 star. It can be used on these screws as well. Let's check this. Exactly something like this. And if we take one of this, just like that, there we go, one clip. Let's take another one of these, keep it open. There we go. And then I think we need to pull it down. That's right. Just like that. We open this MacBook Pro, which needs a cleaning. Then we put the screws back. And this is the order that we have them in. It's quite good for keeping the screws in one place. And as you can see, great versatility right here. You can open any laptop, you can even open a MacBook Pro. There we go, that's the one.